Hey everyone, Mike here from Mike's Mini Motors. If you guys remember from a couple of months ago, I did my 500 subscriber giveaway, and unfortunately, none of the winners ever contacted me to claim their prizes. Because if you guys aren't aware, like I don't have a way to reach out to you guys on YouTube, and so I had told the winners that they needed to contact me through Instagram or Facebook, and they never did. So I think just over a month had went by and still nothing. So I did a post on the community tab on YouTube saying that they had 1 week left to get a hold of me, and after a week, nothing. Not a single one of them contacted me. So unfortunately for them, they lose their prizes, but luckily for all of you guys all get a second chance at it. So and I'm sorry I'm a little bit behind on getting this back out there. Been busy. Like actually this weekend I was in Denver hanging out with Matt from Rolling Wrench and Jeff from Washington, and we were doing a live bike build on the Rolling Wrench channel. And I'll actually throw up a photo here so you guys can see what it looked like. And then also on the Rolling Wrench channel, the lives are still posted right now. Eventually, I believe Matt's gonna move them to the members only section. So if you wanna see that, go check it out on his page. Or if they are moved to the member section already, become a member, support him. He's a great guy and does lots of good stuff for the community. So, but the rules for this contest will be the same as last time. It'll be really easy. I just need you guys to leave a comment to this video that you're watching right now, and it can be anything. Leave me some feedback, a joke, emoji, just try to keep it nice. And that's it. And you have until December 1st at noon Mountain Standard Time to get your comments in. At that point, I will compile a list of all the names and do a drawing. And if you guys don't remember what the prizes are, there's a first, second, and third, and all three of them will get a Mike's Mini Motors shirt. And the winner can choose the color they'd like and size. And then first and second place also get Rolling Wrench gift cards. So I was originally gonna do a $25 Rolling Wrench gift card for second and $50 for first. But then Matt's hooking it up and he's gonna match my gift card. So it's now a $50 gift card for second and a $100 gift card for first. So thanks Matt for hooking that up, that's awesome. And yeah, so like I said, all you gotta do, leave me a comment to this video. We got just about a week, I think it's just under, and yeah, that's it. Just so leave me those comments, and thanks again to all you guys. Like, that's the reason I'm doing this, is because I appreciate all you guys being my subscribers, checking out my content. So thanks a lot, and I will see you guys next week.